Hello friends, we are continuing our discussion of part test 5. Alright, this is question number 61. We are given A plus B gives C plus D equilibrium reaction. Initial concentration of A is double the initial concentration of B, and at equilibrium B is equal to one third of C. We have to find out Kc. So what I have taken, suppose A plus B 1 1, so the initial concentration of A is double, so I have taken 2. Alright, normally we take A and B, so I have taken 1. If B is equal to 1, A becomes 2. And one more thing, it is mentioned that equilibrium concentration of B is equal to one third of equilibrium concentration of C or D. So from here 3 minus 3x equal to x, and I have calculated the value of x. Alright, so this is x into x. Volume factor is cancelled because it is equal. Right hand side and left hand side moles are same, so we are left with the x into x upon this is 2 minus x and 1 minus x, so leave it. So this is 3/4, x is 3 by 4, and A is equal to 2. So 2 minus x, that is 2 minus 3 by 4, and this is 1 minus 3 by 4. So this is 3 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 minus 3 by 4, this is 5 by 4, and this is 1 by 4. Alright, 4 4 cancelled, we are left with 9 by 5, that is equal to 1.8. Alright, now look at question number 62. Question number 62. 1 mole of ammonium carbamate dissociate as given, like this reaction is given, and we have to find out, and the total pressure is given, we have to find out Kp. So such questions are very simple. This is ammonium carbamate, this is solid, so it produces 2x and x moles of ammonia and CO2. Total is 2x plus x equal to 3x equal to 3, so x equal to 1. Now Kp equal to, this is 2x the whole square into x, so this is 4x cube. So obviously 4x cube and into alright, Kp equal to 4x cube. The value of x, just put the value and you get Kp. Alright. Question number 63. We are given 3 reactions, and which is correct we have to predict. So out of these 3 reactions, if you look at carefully, first reaction is a sum of these two. First reaction is a sum of these two. So if these 2 reactions are added, alright, if these 2 reactions are added, we get the first reaction. So Kc, when reactions are added, their equilibrium constants get multiplied. So this is Kc equal to Kc1 into Kc2, or log of Kc is equal to log of Kc1 plus log of Kc2. Alright, so this relation was asked in question number 63. So correct answer is log of K1 equal to log of K2 plus log of K3. Question number 64. I have made Kc1, Kc2. I have changed equilibrium constant values. They have mentioned this one as K1. They have mentioned this one as K1, and this is they mentioned K2, and this is K3. So in that case, not Kc1, they have mentioned, okay, let us say Kc1. So log of Kc1 equal to log of Kc1 equal to log of Kc2 plus log of Kc3. and this Kc1 is equal to Kc2 into Kc3, like that you can write. All right. Anyway, question number 64. Question number 64, N2O4 gives twice of NO2 plus half of O2. It is started with the initial pressure 600 torr, and what fraction of N2O4 is decomposed when total pressure of the system is 960 torr? So as usual we write a minus x, and this is 2x and half of x. All right, so total number of moles a minus x plus 2x plus half of x. So it is we are left with the a plus 1.5 of x, 1 and a half, a plus 1 and a half x, that is 1.5x. Initial moles, which corresponds to initial pressure 600 plus 1.5x equal to the total pressure, that is total number of moles. What we did, we calculated total number of moles, which is coming out to be a plus 1.5x, that is total number of moles, which is equal to total pressure. All right, so this is 960, and initial pressure, which is due to initial gaseous moles of N2O5 reactant. So x we have calculated. Now this x is what fraction of this 600, that is degree of dissociation. This much is dissociated from how much? From 600. So what is the degree of dissociation? The part which is dissociated divided by the initial value, that is equal to 0.4. This is question number 64. All right, look at question number 65. Question number 65. Look at question number 65. The gas A2 in left flask, this is 2 moles and this is 4 mole. All right, which the B2, and these two, the stopper is removed, and these two start reacting to give 2AB. Kc is 4, and temperature is not needed, and AB equilibrium is established. What is the concentration of AB? So it is 2x we will be calculating. All right, so say it is A2 plus B2 gives 2AB, Kc is 4. This is A minus x, that is 2 minus x, and B minus x, that is 4 minus x, equal, and this is 2x. So Kc equal to 4x square upon A minus x into B minus x, that is 2 minus x and B minus x. So if you calculate x from here, you get 4 by 3, but since AB2 formed, 2AB formed is 2x, means AB formed as 2x, so 2x equal to 8 by 3. Now if you calculate molarity, moles upon volume, so it is 8 by 3, and volume is total volume, that is this is 1 liter and this is 3 liters, so the total volume becomes 4 liter. So in this 4 liter, the concentration of this is 0.6. All right, question number 65 is third option, 0.66. Okay. Now look at question number 66. Question number 66. 2x plus y equal to 2z. 2x plus y equal to 2z minus 80 kilocalorie, means it is exothermic reaction, and delta n is negative, that is 3 minus 2 minus 3 minus 1 and this reaction is the reaction is feasible at, so obviously high temperature, we need low temperature and high pressure, because delta n is negative. So low temperature is out of these, lowest temperature is third option, and highest pressure is also in third option. So third option is best one. Question number 66. Question number 67. A is equal to B plus C. A equal to B plus C plus D. All right, question number 67. vapor density at equilibrium mixture is 50, then the percentage dissociation is 10%. What will be the molar mass of compound? Question number 64. 67. Let us discuss in the next